Hi Jericho, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Magpakain ka next time. Punta ako dyan.
Hi Jericho, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day. Ingat ka lagi and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi Echo, happy birthday. I'm Xiongling from Taiwan. It's Cosmopolitan 2025.
Hello, happy birthday Echo.
Happy birthday to you, Echo. My name is Kurt Bonnet, your Mr. International Philippines. I hope you're doing really well. God bless. I wish you a fantastic year. You have a very good friend, and I might not know you, but maybe one day we'll meet. Bye-bye. Ingat.
Hi Echo, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health for you and for your family. And for your career, work, more promotions to come. And we know naman na ikaw yung pinaka may magandang trabaho sa atin. And wish ko na magtagal pa tayo dito yung magkakasama sa Qatar. Stay healthy and dalayan ko din na magtagumpay kayo sa business na pinasok mo ni Ate Ron. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Smile. Happy birthday, Ninong Echo.
Happy birthday, Ninong Echo.
Stay cute.
Stay cute.
Like me.
Like me.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Ninong Echo. 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 I love you. Hello, Daddy Jack. Happy birthday. Sana pumunta ka dito, Daddy Jack. Pag pumunta ka dito, Daddy Jack, ay punta tayo sa Star City. Bye-bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Sana enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Mahal ka namin. Thank you sa lahat ng binibigay mo sa amin. Ang taos puso. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy Jack. It's your day na, and I want to make a message for you because it's your day. Daddy Jack, thank you for always supporting and guiding us financially and emotionally. Nandyan ka since pagkabata ko, and hanggang ngayon tinutulungan niyo po ako and my other siblings. You're our second father and I'm very grateful for that. May God bless you with long life and happiness. Yun lang po masasabi ko, pero words cannot say kung gaano ako ka-thankful sa inyo. No words can say that kasi lagpas pa siya sa 1,000 words. So, yeah. Thank you, Daddy Jack. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Please, mag-ingat ka dyan sa Qatar. Love you.
Hello, Jack. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi sa work mo. Sana lagi kang malusog at malayo sa karamdaman. Salamat sa mga tulong mo. I love you.
Hi, Kuya Jack. Happy birthday. Tanda na. Tanda ka na, Kuya Jack. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. And thank you for everything. Kahit pasaway, ang bunso, you still there for me. And dahil dyan, kakanta ko. Pakinggan mo. Sana helwa yagamil, sana helwa yagamil, sana helwa, sana helwa, sana helwa yagamil. Tuloy ko, diba? Enjoy your day and happy birthday. We love you. All of the Nuestro family love you so much. Okay? Enjoy and take care. Babatiin kita ulit mamaya.
Kapatid, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, sa gwapo kong kapatid. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana umaba ang buhay mo at maging gwapo ka pa tulad ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Bye.
Hello, Jack. Malaki na birthday mo. Sa 28, happy birthday. 28 anak. Wala, ang taba-taba mo pa nga. Ingatan mo sabi, tumatanda ka na, anak. O, kumusta na naman dyan? Kung kako naman, o mo hindi, o wala naman kong sakit. Kaya lang salamat sa pinapadala mo. Malapit naman. Wala akong pang panggastos. Ingat ka dyan, ha? Happy birthday. Tingnan ulit rato natin, o. Nandito ka ta, anak ko. Dito. Tatay, o, ayan, nakita mo. Ayan. O, sige na, happy birthday na lang, ha? Ingat ka dyan, sarili mo. Bye-bye. Love you.